In this video, I'll guide you through how to change event privacy settings in Google Calendar. Managing who can see the details of your events is really important, whether you're sharing a work calendar, a family calendar, or just keeping some things to yourself. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where those privacy options live and how to adjust them quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar you want to edit. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're on the correct one. Once your calendar loads, you'll see your events laid out in day, week, or month view depending on your settings. Any of these views will work for changing privacy. The key is just being able to see the event you want to update. Next, find and click on the event whose privacy settings you want to change. This could be an upcoming meeting, a personal reminder, or any existing calendar entry. Clicking once will open a small pop-up with basic details like the event name, date, time, and any guests you've invited. This is just a quick overview. To actually change privacy, we need to go into the full editing screen. From that pop-up, look for the pencil icon, usually labeled Edit Event, when you hover over it. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. This will open the full event editor where you can adjust things like the title, time, location, guests, and of course, privacy. It's a good habit to pause here and make sure you're editing the correct event, especially if you have recurring events that look similar. Now, inside the event editor, look for the option labeled Visibility. Depending on your screen size, it may appear near the middle or toward the bottom of the event details, sometimes under a section like Event Details or More Options. Click on the Visibility drop-down to see your choices. You'll see three main options: Default Visibility, Public, and Private. Default Visibility means the event will follow whatever rules are set for the overall calendar. This is useful if you're happy with your calendar's standard sharing behavior and just want the event to match. Public means anyone who has access to your calendar can see the full event details, such as the title, location, and description. Private hides those details from others. They may only see that the time is busy without any specifics. Choose the option that best matches how sensitive the information is and who you expect to see it. Once you've selected the visibility setting you want, scroll back up or down and click the Save button. Saving is essential. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your privacy changes won't be applied. After saving, your event's privacy is updated immediately. That's all you need to do to change event privacy settings in Google Calendar. With these steps, you can quickly control what others can see and keep your schedule as open or as private as you need.